Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. How you all doing this afternoon? Lovely to see you. Lovely to see you. Got an exciting afternoon. Live reaction, and we've got invited guests as well, so it should be exciting this afternoon. Let's see how it all pans out. You're earning, I've just got some breaking news here. You're earning 5% on investing cash. Yes. Gold perks, 3% IRA match. Yes. 5%, 8% margin rate. Borrow money and increase your, yes. Learn about Morningstar reports, real time. Okay. Just reading some comment here. Okay. Nothing there too much. All right, okay. Just checking what was going on there. Welcome, everybody, to the live show. It's been another good afternoon. We've got a very good afternoon lined up, I think. We're going up again, breaking records again. It's becoming quite a habit, this, isn't it? 71,400. We're going up again. Look in the breakfast bar. Ha, ha, ha. What's going on here? Let me have a look at the breakfast bar. Let me go into the breakfast bar. What do we have here? This is Mike in the breakfast bar. Snoopy. Lee will be very happy with Snoopy. Let me give that a love. I like it. Very nice indeed. Very nice indeed, Mike. I like it. Go get that money quickly. I love it. I like how you did the thing there. Very, very good. Very good. Let me just do that there. Give that a like. Hang on. What else we got here? Mike, what the heck is this? What are we doing there? What is that? Don't tell us what it is. Let's see if everyone can guess. I just made £6. Oh, homemade fudge. You told me. You spoiled it. You told me what it was. Homemade fudge. Let me give that. I'm impressed. You make all this stuff by yourself. Homemade fudge. Look at that. Lovely stuff, Mike. Thank you very much indeed. Stock news. Martini Racer. Keep some claims out of investor suit on safety. Virgin Galactic keeps some claims out of investor suit on safety. Virgin Galactic investors failed to convince a federal judge to reinstate claim that the company miscast a near-fatal spacecraft test run as safe. There you go. Virgin Galactic investors failed to convince a federal judge to reinstate claim that the company miscast a near-fatal spacecraft test run as safe, and that founder Richard Branson engaged in insider sales. There you go. I will be covering that later on. That's important. That's a reaction to our video today. So let me just go back to stock news. I'm going to do that. Thank you for that. That's very important news. Been sent in by our biggest retail investor. Let me just put a like on these things here. Got to keep up to date. If you get behind, it never happens. All right. If you get behind, you end up losing out. General chit chat. Where is it? Okay. MSK. Did Chamath and Branson take advantage of fellow? Here we go. This guy, Dave G, who hasn't got. I said be nice, people. I actually said be nice. We said be nice. MSK thought I haven't got a YouTube channel. I say what I like. I don't have to be nice. This guy, David G. It's all. I tell you what. It's all fair in love and war. It's all fair in love and war. Anyone can have a go at me. It's all part of it. I don't mind. This is brilliant. This is absolutely brilliant. Some great stuff coming in here. This is so funny. We've got somebody here. What's their name? It is Andy Guang2 on Discord. I think it's Guang2. It's called Andy. Andy, I can't accept your friend request until you become a YouTube member. You might already be, but anyway, need to check that. Henrik, good afternoon. Inbound margin. Oh, this guy, he always says the same thing. Yes, Malk UK, how are you? Good to see you all. Right. We're breaking records again today. Taiwan Semiconductor, Fuel Cell, Mullen. Tomorrow we'll see what happens to this. Palantir, gold, the S&P, Amazon, Apple. Bit of a drop today, but not much. Next era energy. It need to go down. It need to go down to 51.50. If it did, I'd buy some more at the bottom. I would. Oh, yes. Enphase Energy going up again. That's all free money now. Lovely. Coca-Cola, J&J, Kenvue, Chevron. Just flat right now. Tesla. I'm up 10% now. Lovely. Rivian, McDonald's, Google. Nothing to buy, nothing to sell, nothing to see here. Right. How's Stephen? How's vacation? North Carolina? South Carolina, I beg your pardon. Right. Now then, we've got some big stuff today. We got some big stuff. Guangtu or Andy, are you here today? You've sent me a message in Discord. Need to know if it's you. So have we got any of our mystery people that haven't been in for a while that I want to make sure they're in? Have we got? It's going to be a big day today on the show. Come premiere time, it's going to be great. So here we go. Have we got Pat M? Pat M. Have we got Pat M in the channel? Doesn't look like it. And David Burrows. David Burrows, not yet. Okay. Have we got R3? R3, no, not R3. Have we got Michelle? No. Have we got Jonas? Jonas? No. If we've got any of those people, let me know. If I couldn't find you, sometimes it doesn't come up, so it does happen. Right. We have got a premiere. Patrick G is here. That's nice to know, Patrick. Nothing wrong with that. Patrick G's here. I'm here. You know, all you need to worry about, mate, is I'm here. I'm here with Patrick G. That's all that matters. Everybody else, not important. Patrick G's here. Now, listen here, folks. Oh, hang on a minute. I've got a message just come in. Okay. That's fine. Right. We have got a special premiere tonight, and I've invited certain people to react in the live chat. Here is, you never know, we might have a debate tonight. There is the video, the premiere. It's still processing. Such a big file. It's still processing. Hopefully it'll be ready to go soon. Let me see if it's there yet. Let me have a look. Waiting to see if I get any response back. Not yet. I'm ready for it. So this is the premiere. Do you like this? What do you think of this? Not on my watch. Scam. Not on my watch. Okay. Gotcha. So we're going to have some fun with this tonight, and hoping we're going to get some live chat from distinguished guests to be in the chat with us. Okay. So hopefully we'll see. There's Chamath. Scam. Not on my watch. Virgin Galactic. Let's make sure that we have some fun with this one tonight. Okay, so you all want to be in. It's going to be exciting. That is if it has processed by the end of this show. I might have to keep talking for a while because it might not have processed, but hopefully it will. Hopefully it will. It says another 4 hours to go, but it very often jumps quickly. It's not really very accurate, that. It's got to process, otherwise it's low resolution. Still work, but it will just look rubbish. Anyway, let's see how we're doing. Taiwan Semiconductor. We talked about this as today. We did a review on it And the review will come out. I'm trying to think when should the review come out? Maybe after tonight's. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, maybe tomorrow now. I don't know. Because tomorrow morning is going to be a bit different. I've got the funeral, of course. My friend's funeral's tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning is going to be a bit different. I'll explain later in the show what's going to happen there. Fuel cell going up, Mullen. We're just waiting to see how our stocks execute in 2 days. NVIDIA is still king. Okay, I'm not sure I agree with that, but good luck to you anyway. Tio Roll, hi there everyone. He's got his gold badge now. Tio Roll, look at that. Tio Roll, gold badge. Inbound has got a badge only because he won it. Gold. The S&P. Nothing to buy, nothing to sell. Now, Inbound, he's always on about margin and all the rest of it. He talks about it a lot. And just so you can have some fun at me now, because I'm going to give you some ammunition, right? Here's some ammunition. As you can see, my portfolio, we're breaking records again. We're up there, all-time highs again. Remember, I've taken $1,000 out, so we would be at 72.5 because I've taken it for the convertible note to gold to come back in again. But look, can you see I have $40,000 of margin. I had 52 a day ago, and I reduced it. I reduced my position on Enphase Energy to bring it into balance. I got $40,000 of margin, and I'm not going to be margin called anytime soon, just so you know. I'm about 30% away from a margin call, 30%. My portfolio would have to drop by about 30% to even remotely get close to a margin call. Just thought I'd let you know. I know you doing. I know you enjoy that. I only use the free 1,000 of margin from gold. So that makes no sense, Inbound. So what you're saying is you are happy to use margin as long as it's free. So you're happy to the principle of using margin, but only if it's free. Yeah, but what if you borrow money at 8% and it makes you currently now 23%, but I was 30% just yesterday. 30% in a month. 8% in a year, 30% in a month, and then I made about $6,000 profit on Enphase alone, and now all my Enphase is free stock. All of that is free. There's about 2,000 of that is my own money. The rest of it's free. And the reason why it says only $2,000 profit is because I sold $11,000 of it and took the $6,000. So basically, that's virtually all free. So 8% in a year, I made 30% just on this stock. So you're saying you don't like the principle of margin, however, you'll use it as long as it's free. Interest free, yeah. Yeah, well, what's the point of that? Like I say, if it costs you 8% and you know in February it's going to be 6%, and when the rates come down, the bull run will be over, it'll calm down. Now was the opportunity to buy the oversold stocks. I've made 30% in a month compared to 8% in a year. So clearly, using margin doesn't bother you, the principle of it, but only if it's free. See, that doesn't make any sense. I don't think that makes any sense. If you're not opposed to using it, then why not use it when it's the right time? That's all I'm saying. We can have that debate. You can call in as well, because you're a member. You can even call into the show. I bet you won't call in though. You can call in here, be live on the show, and tell me all about it. I'd love to get your opinions on it. I really, really would. So anyway, there you go. That's my thoughts. I used to have more margin. I eventually cleared it to the 1,000. Yeah, I've had margin. I've had the highest was 52,000. I'm back down to 40 now. No, I'm with you. There's a time to be in margin and a time not to be in margin. But to me, it was clearly obvious time to be in margin when the stocks dipped and we had that massive overselling We had the bull market come in. We knew the rates were going to come down. It was all written on the wall that we'd have a massive rally. We did. That's why I went all in. Well, there you go. The rest is history, right? Let's have a look. MSK, you said very confidently that the blood red down day yesterday was going to be green for you. Let's please accept that we have to take hits. You said very confidently that the blood red down day yesterday was going to be green for you. Let's accept that we have to take hits. Oh, absolutely. It went down yesterday. Yes, I said it, and I said it would all bounce back up again, and it did. Didn't it? You said very confidently that the blood round yesterday was going to be green. No, yes, I said it was going to be green, correct. For you, let's please accept that we have to take hits. Yes, we do. Of course we do. Absolutely we do. And it came straight back today and it's gone up even higher. We're up 2.2%. I didn't sell a single share yesterday. I was looking to add more, but nothing went low enough. Unless I want to scalp trade, of course, but I'm not doing that right now. I got crushed yesterday. Ed, why did you get crushed? How could you get crushed unless you sold? Did you sell yesterday, Ed? I can't imagine you would have sold yesterday. It went down. Now, what happened? Nothing, unless you sell it. How could you get crushed? I'd like to know. Taxes plus margin interest. Pretty risky. Good luck. Taxes plus margin interest. Pretty risky. Good luck. Well, I feel pretty confident, Stephen. Listen, if I had shares in good companies on margin right now, if I had shares in good companies on margin right now, I'm holding. Okay. In times of high conviction, it makes sense. Indeed. Is there a difference between leverage and margin? No, same thing, isn't it? You're just borrowing money. The market deals have dried up. Time to ride. Indeed, you are correct there. No, I didn't sell, although I should have. Why would you have wanted to sell yesterday when it was down? Yesterday you got wrecked and you said you should have sold. Why would you have wanted to sell yesterday? Sell today, maybe, perhaps. But why should you have sold yesterday when today you're up? Surely that would have been a bad thing to do. Anyway, surely that would be a bad thing to do, wouldn't it? Anyway. I can use a famous Warren Buffett quote about margin. Let's read some more comments. Has Dave G Investing contacted you yet? No, but I've contacted him. I've contacted him and I've invited him to the live premiere this afternoon. So we're going to have some fun. Dave G, I saw you naughty people. I saw what you guys did. Oh, you terrible you guys are. I saw what happened here. I saw what happened. I saw what you did. Hang on. Where's that top comments? Newest comments. Newest first. Okay, this is interesting. This is what Dave G has done. This is what YouTubers do. You know, talk about YouTubers. YouTubers do not understand, right? They try to keep their world to themselves. They think it's a good idea to not engage, shut everything down. Mr. Beast, one of the most successful YouTubers in the world, says all work together, you all win. You're going to find this interesting. This is the video you all commented on earlier. All right? I responded to all of you. And I invited Dave G on the show. He has deleted my comment and he's deleted all of my comments to you. They're all disappeared. I can't understand why you would do that. They were all polite, respectful. I thanked him for his video, invited him to react. And what did he do? He's deleted all the comments, deleted all your comments, and deleted my reply to all of you, and he's deleted me as well, because he doesn't want me to promote the video. I'm not promoting my video on his channel. It's not what I'm doing at all. I'm engaging with him. And that's good for him, and he doesn't understand that. He doesn't understand that it could grow his channel. He'd rather delete it. Unbelievable. Yep, I responded to all of you. You may have noticed about 20 minutes ago, I had responded to all of you, and he has deleted my comment and my responses to you. And they were all respectful. You don't ever do that, because what you're doing is creating engagement. Those that don't understand how YouTube works want to shut everybody else out. They want to be an island. I want everyone talking about Virgin Galactic. I want everyone to comment to me. I want everyone to, engage with me, challenge me, so I can learn stuff, so I can expand. You do not learn anything. And now I'm going to respond to this. And now I'm going to make a video on this now. I can't believe that. Well, I can actually, because that's a sort of the mindset of people like that. It's crazy. You had the opportunity there to do something, but no. Incredible. He's deleted all my responses to all of you. Wow. Oh, it's very silly. Very, very silly. But anyway, we all do things differently, right? Let's have a little look. Let's read these comments now. That was a well-timed delivery of some vehicles for Mullen, still below $1 in January, in my opinion. A brave trader got their money back on this. Did they? Flipping heck. Mullen has been a disaster. An absolute disaster. I didn't sell, although I should have. I'm only in space. That's the risk in my portfolio. I would have sold before market open. I still don't understand why you would have sold, though. Why would you have sold? What would be the point of selling? I don't know what the point would be, because you are far better off not selling, right? If we go to SPCE now, see it's up 3.6. Why would you be better off if you'd sold yesterday? 2 days ago, but now it's rising again. But look at the 3-month trend. We are trending upwards. Why would you want to sell now? It's moving in the right direction every day. I would have rebought, don't get me wrong. Okay, FFIE up 48%. I saw that today. Faraday. Yes, we're getting a bit of excitement. It's kind of strange, to be honest, why we're getting this 44% now, the massive rally today on Faraday. And I really can't understand. The day that Mullen did what they did, that just seems too coincidental to me. That seems too coincidental to me. I really, really don't understand that. I really, really don't understand that. But, there it is. I really, really don't understand it. Kathy Wood speaking to Elon at 5. So you Tesla's breaking out. Yeah, I'm up 11% now. Very, very nice. I don't need to buy any more. Got all the Tesla I need. I've got both 131 shares of space, want red, but rule number 1, never lose money on the stock market. Raphael, rule number 1. Well, good luck with that, mate. You're never not going to lose money on the stock market. I mean, overall, you can be up. My portfolio is consistently up. Look, this is my portfolio. Started with $5,000, and you can see I've got no options. I've got no shorts or anything like that, and I'm at 71. and a half. And in fact, I'm at 72 and a half, 72.6, because I've just taken 1,000 out. So we're 73 is our all-time high. And that was only set a couple of days ago. So we're at all-time highs, and there's no options or shorts. I never do shorts. So, but to say the first rule of stock market is to never lose money, that's impossible. We make loads of mistakes. We're always learning. There's always things to learn, and we're constantly making mistakes. Anyway, no way he deleted it. Yeah, he did. Look, I'll show you again. Look, I gave this guy an opportunity today to blow up his channel, engage with me, and he decided, look, there's your comments. There's your comments. He decided today, rather than engage and grow and become, share, grow together, which is what you do. I replied to all of you. I replied to every single one of your comments, and he deleted it. So he was happy with your comments, saying you're all talking like he's talking rubbish, because that's engagement for him, right? Makes his channel look better. He's got more comments. However, me responding to him, to your comments, and me politely inviting him for an interview, he deleted. He doesn't want to promote my channel. I don't need you to promote my channel. I'm doing it to engage so we all grow. But he didn't realize that. So there you go. Yep, he has. He's deleted all of my comments to you guys, which is just the way people are. It's flipping Buckaroony with his comment. Yeah, it's Buckaroony. Buckaroony was the best one. Did you read Buckaroonies? Mate, your channel is absolutely bollocks. I said be nice. People don't listen, do they? Buckaroony went, I'll say what I like. Yes, Bill, I will text you. Thank you very much indeed. Down some days, upmost. That's it. Martyn Lucas. What are you doing on Christmas Day? What am I doing on Christmas Day? I'm sitting in my house. Because I'd not have lost 500 and wouldn't, because I'd not have lost 500 and would have got free shares in the evening. I see. Okay. But if you don't sell, you don't lose anything. If you just hold on to it, you're all right anyway. He would have recovered half of what he lost. You did make him look like a bit of a plonker, Rodney. Yeah, but he could have come back and disagreed with me. He would have got loads more subscribers, loads more viewers. He would have got loads more engagement. But he chose to go, nope, I don't want this. Mr. Beast, one of the biggest YouTubers in the world, has told so many thousands of YouTubers, they do that. They build a little niche and they don't want anybody else involved. Don't come into my space. I want everyone talking about Virgin Galactic. I will still try to make the best content, because the more people that talk about it, the more people are buying it, the more people are watching it. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. But some people just do not understand that. They think they want to be an island and they can do better off by, I don't know, trying to hide from everybody. It's silly. How can you achieve that amount? I'm from Portugal and that amount is impossible here. So I want to learn from you to make money on the stock market. Rafael Perez. Rafael, we've got members from Portugal. Look at your flag past my head. We've got members in 47 countries. And it's not impossible at all, Raphael. You can access the same markets as I can, but you don't follow me or copy me. I've made my money from talking to you. I have learned from you the sentiment of people, the silliness of people, the shorters, the scammers, the people that get it all back to front. I learn from you. I learn much more from talking to you than you do me talking to you. Honestly, I learn a lot more from you. That's how I've achieved my goals, listening to you. Maybe he is lurking. Dave, shall we have a look? Shall we have a look? Dave. No, he's not. He's not lurking at the moment. Or maybe he is. I don't know. Truth. Some days it's not the move. We trade differently and that's okay. That is. When space moves upwards, I plan to diversify. Can't live in anxiety all the time. That's right. But you shouldn't be all in space in the first place, mate, should you? I learn a lot here. I learn more from you, Ed. I learn more from you. So anyway, you know, it's not about all being in space anyway, is it? It's about a diverse portfolio. Anyway, Virgin Galactic's going back up again. Fuel cells going up. We're watching this one. Mullen, well, what it is. Palantir, gold. The S&P going up. Amazon going up. What on earth is this? The biggest ever super chat in the history of the world. Can anyone see what's just happened? Well, all I'm saying is make this Christmas magical, because you have damn well changed our lives, you plum. And we love you. MSK has just given me a £200 super chat. Bloody hell. That's the biggest ever super chat for Christmas. That's the new record. I can't believe it. I got to make a video on it. All right, here we go. Let me do it. I've got to make a video on this. This is the best thing ever. Hang on. Moments like this don't come around. Okay, so let me just talk normal and be surprised. You ready? Okay, here we go. I'm just going to relax. Be surprised. Okay, so we're having a fantastic year. Just a couple of days now before Christmas. Oh, hang on. What's this?
Well, all I am saying is make this Christmas magical, because you have damn well changed our lives, you plum, LOL, and we love you.
The biggest super chat I've ever had. That was a £200. Did anyone? A £200 super chat for MSK. I have to say, I can't believe it. It's our second Christmas together. 2.5 years old now we are. Second Christmas together. And I can't believe it. Thank you. Thank you doesn't sound enough, does it? Thank you just doesn't sound enough. MSK, you've got to call in. Can you call into the show? Can you call in? I've got to talk to you. It's a Christmas gift. It's a Christmas present. I can't believe it. All the money I'm getting at the moment on Super Chats is going to maintaining the studio. So thank you. I can do some repairs over Christmas when I'm off. If you're able to call in, MSK, I'd love you to call in. That was just incredible. I'm absolutely speechless. I haven't had £200 from my own parents for Christmas. I might have had when I was a kid, when I had a bike and a train set. But when I grew up, I never had more than 20 quid, more than a pair of socks for Christmas. So I cannot believe it. We can't just play it once. We cannot. I mean, I can't wait to tell Leah. Leah, can you hear me? I've got to tell Leah. Hang on a minute. Recent events. Look at this. Got to play it again.
Well, all I am saying is make this Christmas magical, because you have damn well changed our lives, you plum, LOL, and we love you.
Can you believe it? Leah? Don't know if Leah's coming around somewhere. She might come around. I'll tell her afterwards if she's there. Anyway, I'm a bit speechless at the moment. Yeah. Wow, MSK. Wow. I mean, seriously. That's an all-time record. Tilray, rubbish. Yeah, hang on. No, yeah, I gotta say, Tilray's rubbish. I'm on Discord. No. Not on Discord. Not on Discord. We don't do it on Discord anymore, do we? MSK, pay attention. Come on, MSK. This is what you do now. We don't do it on Discord, do we? We do it here. This is the link, right? Look, there is the link. There is the link. martynlucas.com /live. And here's the password. Lucas AIDS. I've got to change this password at some point. Lucas AIDS 100. And it is case sensitive. So copy it. So get out of Discord and get on the phone line. All right, get on the phone line. We do it properly now. We don't mess around, do we? Don't you remember? MSK. Ed Spitzer. Dang, yeah, everyone's going, I can't believe, can you believe it? I mean, oh my God, he got it right. £200. Yeah, it's because it's pounds. All right, it's because it's 200. I ain't getting that wrong. Someone just mentioned to me Coca-Cola. Why, what's going on? Coca-Cola's going back up again. Yeah, yes, very, very nice. Indeed, I'm up, it's up 5% now. Yeah. Coca-Cola looking good. Wow. You have to call in. I know, I've told him. He's got to call in. Get to the chopper. Oh my God, MSK, you are a legend. Hey, Martyn, me and my partner, we both watch you on YouTube channel for a while. He would like to participate in a video call on your show to give great news about Virgin Galactic and Paris Hilton. This is great. Renatha, I've seen your name. You have to be a member of my channel to call in. It's for security. But you are a member. Renatha, you are a member. Here is the link if you want to call in. Yes, you can call in. You can call in right now. Here is the link to call into the show. So Renatha Bara talking about it's not working, Mike. Yes, it is. It's always working. There is the link to call in. That's for MSK and Renatha. And now you put the password in, which is Lucas AIDS. Make sure that you copy it as it is on the screen. It's case sensitive. LUCAS, capital L, uppercase L, uppercase ADES. Lucas AIDS 100. I'll put it in the chat. So Renatha, you can call in now. I would love to talk to you and make a video about Paris Hilton. Absolutely right. MSK's on the phone. MSK's on the phone. Here he is. Turn your camera on, MSK. Turn your camera on. Let me stick him in the green room. Assign him. Assign MSK. Add right. Add left. You got to turn your camera on, MSK. Right? You've got to turn your camera on. And you haven't got your camera turned on. All right? So you haven't got your camera turned on, so I'm going to mute. I'm going to end the call and call in again. You just got to activate your camera. All right? So let me end the call and you call in again with your camera turned on, okay? Okay. We always want to break record. MSK, you're doing it again and again. Coca-Cola, yes, we're looking at it. Looking brilliant. Dave G Investing with a fire hazard, please delete premiere for tonight. Oh man, that's brilliant. It's not working, Mark. Yes, it is. You just called in. Anyone got Hood in the UK? Yes. Everybody has. Everybody that used my referral has got the UK version. Everybody, because I got it on the second version as well. So everybody that used my referral has got it. I'm so proud and happy for you, Martyn. Moy Guzman. I can't believe it. It's going to be a great Christmas, isn't it? I'm going to buy something for Leah. Not sure I'm going to bother. Jojo S. Our man Shy. He's not shy. He's not shy. My partner would be the one calling in. That's absolutely fine. Renatha, that's absolutely fine. If it's done through your membership, that's absolutely fine. Yeah, Jojo, I'm thinking about it. What are you thinking about? So, MSK, come on, mate. Sort your life out, mate. Now then, we've got 20 minutes ago. We are breaking records again. Look at this. Look at this. Breaking records again. Oh, look at this. 71, 72, which is actually $73,000. I said we would hit 80,000 at least by the end of this year, if not $100,000 by the end of the year. That's still completely doable. Martyn, have you been mistaken for Phil Collins? Hang on a minute. Let me do this. When I'm feeling blue, all you've gotta do is take a look at me. Then I feel so blue. When you're close to me, I can feel your heartbeat. I can feel you breathing in my hair. Wouldn't you agree? Baby, you and me got a groovy kind of love. There you go, groovy kind of love. That's what I'm talking about. Martyn, I used your referral and I haven't heard from them. Well, you should any day because others have got it, so I'm sure that you will get it. Renatha, but it says password incorrect. You've got to type it correctly. Lucas AIDS. Here we go. 100. Make sure that you do capital L, capital A. Copy it in the chat. Lucas AIDS. uppercase L, UCAS, uppercase ADES, 100. That's not 100. That's not 100. That's 100. 100. It will work. I promise you, it will work 100%. More like whispering Bob Harris. Whispering Bob. All right. Welcome to the radio show, late night show, here on the Bob Harris Show. Type it in. It will work. Yes, it will work. Where's MSK gone? Sort your camera out, MSK. What's wrong with you? Now then, we've got this premiere tonight. I've invited Dave G Investing on the show. He decided just to delete it. Didn't want to be part of it, which is silly. He had an opportunity to grow, but he decided, no, that's not what I want for my channel. Oh, fair enough then. You could have gained loads of subscribers, loads of viewers. Never mind. I hate that, because I love trying to help people. And I hate to see people miss the point. They miss the point and don't get it. They don't get it. But anyway, you try to help people. You have some fun. And they don't get it. Never mind. It is what it is. The premiere is still processing. So I might have to talk a little bit. Anyway. Where's MSK? What's going on, fella? Maybe he should have done, You Can't Hurry Love. All right. Okay. Christmas time. Can't hurry love. Oh, you'll just have to wait. What's the words? Trust in a good time. How long it takes. You can't hurry love. Oh, just more than it takes. I can't remember the words, so I can't sing it. Bloody hell. No mind. In the air tonight. Martyn, I will need to get a new personal laptop, as when I use my work laptops, I got told off. Here's Renatha. We've got someone calling in now talking about Paris Hilton. Here we go. Now, turn your camera around, sir. You're in portrait mode now. Turn it round so it's landscape, so it fills the screen. If you wouldn't mind, and mute your audio on... there you go. Looks good. And mute your audio on YouTube. All right? So here we go. I'm assigning myself to the right. I'm assigning you to the left. And we're ready to go. We have got... the names coming up. Renatha and Jose Uri. And let me do this now. Unmute yourself. Right, let me give you the build up. Here we go. We've got someone calling in today talking to me about Paris Hilton and Virgin Galactic. Right. Virgin Galactic update. I've got somebody on the phone calling in now, going by the name of Renatha and Jose Uri, live on the phone, who wants to share some information about Paris Hilton. You're now live on the show. Good afternoon to you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you, Lucas. I'm good. Thanks for having me. It's my
It's
first
my
time. A little bit nervous, but it's all right.
it's my pleasure to have you on the show. Where are you calling in from?
I'm calling from UK, but I'm original from Portugal and Renato from Mexico.
Wonderful stuff. Wonderful. We
Yeah.
have members from Portugal and Mexico, 47 countries. I'm actually from Cornwall, southwest England, even though my studio's in Dallas. So what part of the UK are you from?
We're living in London.
London. Lovely.
Yeah.
Now then,
When you
Renata
come to
said,
Heathrow Airport, let us know. When
yes,
you come for
I fly
holiday.
into Heathrow quite often, actually.
All right. Right. Yeah.
Renata tells me you know something about Paris Hilton. What is this all about?
Well, I've been watching your videos, your live shows and everything.
Thank you.
I just saw yesterday one. You was talking with one of the biggest retail investors,
Martini
and
Racer.
yeah, Martini Racer, and I was like, wow, discussing with Renata. She's just next to me, and I say, oh, let me have a look what's going on, because we know is a lot of tickets being sold and everything for the special for how to say, like stars and everything, like Justin Bieber. We've been talking about it, Elon Musk and everything. And actually, I've been researching myself, which yesterday I found like kind of interviews with Paris Hilton talking with Richard Branson, which is really interesting.
Yes.
I keep into that. I keep looking for, I was looking, researching again, and I find it some like comments where Paris Hilton has been talking with, her best mates and everything on the social media. And I have a feeling it really could be her. And well, I think, and apart from this, I saw like another show which has been quite old show. Probably we're talking about maybe 3 months ago, isn't it? 3 months ago? No more. Probably more, but he's like a really a famous actor. What's the name of him? Ashton Kutcher. Ashton
Ashton
Kutcher.
Kutcher.
Sorry if I'm not spelling well.
That's all right. I know who you mean.
I'm gonna share with you later on. I will probably, or maybe we can do it live, and everyone can see all the family here, which is fantastic family, I have to say.
Thank you.
Even I watched your live show today this afternoon regarding one of the YouTubers, which is actually when I started investing, I was like looking as well for some information and get help. Actually, I was watching him in the past. He's completely wrong about it. It's completely, yeah. I think the fundamentals of Virgin is a fantastic. That's why I was like, I'm working in the airport in Heathrow for airlines, and I've been working with next to Virgin Atlantic for 5 years and a half in Terminal 3. I see how they have a potential of service, the glamour of service there, especially when I see in the summer how they been interact with the customers in terms of unique services. It makes Virgin different, and that's why they're going to space now. I'm seeing very soon, as you say, they will go to 100. I'm the ones who believe. Renata, we've been this together. I was watching your show like for a while. I was like a little bit shy how to come. It's my first time, as I said, first time to have. It's a lot of courage. I put it a little bit to have life with you. By a pleasure. In the meantime, you are a fantastic person, I have to say. Advising, be honest with us every day, which is good. And I've been with you like when it was like the first times. Actually, my first stock I invested was Virgin, and I was watching the first flight coming in, and Sensei and you together, looking how the stock it was going up and after it was going down, and I say, oh, what's going on? I didn't have too much knowledge about it, so and I keep buying Virgin and everything. Now I have like 3,000 shares. My line is I bought like 181, which is good. I will keep it there until 100, probably, maybe. Yeah. That's, I believe in the company. It's a fantastic company, and regarding this actor, he just, I'm gonna probably, I don't know if I can maybe find out a way to, we can do it live, or maybe I can send you the link, and later on you can show to everyone, which it will be interesting for everyone to see it. I have you on my screen actually right now. I'll show you to
Well,
you.
when you phone
Okay.
when you phone in, it gives you the option of sharing a screen, so you can share what's on your screen and so on. If you just play around with that next time, you can call in again and you can do that. But also, if you access Discord, if you become a member of our channel, I know Renata is, she can then access Discord and you can send in links and I can share them on the show. So there's lots of ways you can do that.
All right.
All right.
And actually the actor what I was talking to you, the one, he wants to like one of the shows, I don't know what's the name of the show, but he wants the show, and he talks, he was talking, saying he was the first one buy the ticket for the first flight to Virgin, and he did cancel because her wife was wondering if there's something coming on, and he's have the kids and everything, so he gives up on the ticket. But he was really like, wants to go there to space. I think is one of his goals. He will appear one, probably on the 5th flight or something like that. 50 flight maybe. That's what he said. Do you know how? I'm sorry if I'm,
Not at all. I'm running. I'm running out of time now. I've got to wrap this up. But I want to thank you. I want to thank you for calling in. Feel free to call back again, and we'd love to have you on the show. And if you can share the information and more information, the more we learn together. I just want to be absolutely clear, because
Thank you.
my prediction of $100 is not because at the moment it's worth $100, not even close. It's because the way it will trade, the way human sentiment is, where people are with greed, and then the way the market works. So just be clear, when I say it goes to $100, it's not because it's going to be worth $100. 5-10 years, when it's flying 5 times a week, then it's a different story. But right now, in the next 2 years, when Delta flies, it can go to $100, because at that point we'll be very much in a bull market, rates coming down, and the way the stock will trade. But it's very important to keep a balanced portfolio. If all my Virgin Galactic went to zero, I would still be up and continually breaking records nearly every day. So just remember that. And one of our biggest retail investors here, with 460,000 shares, has said when it doubles, and it will soon, he's going to sell half his position to get his seed money out. So just remember, don't just sit on it forever. There is a time to get out. I will always say before I sell mine what I'm going to do, because that's what my channel is about, being open and honest and everything else. But just don't hold on to it for life, for dear life. Have a balanced portfolio. I'd hate to hear that that you're down. We don't want that on our show. We want everyone to be successful here. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, thank you,
Brilliant.
Lucas, Martyn, to having me. So definitely. Well, I know you're running out of time, but I'm going to share these videos to you, which will be interesting to share it with all the family, and yeah, we'll be in touch. I'm going to try to be more organized for maybe 4 hours next call, and having everything in hands with me. And
yes, you can practice how this call works, and you can share screens. If I'm going to end the call, I need to move on now, but what I'll do is I'll give Renata and yourself, if you become a member, you can access Discord yourself, and you can send in links, and as you're talking to me, I can be showing the links, the charts, the videos, the images, and whatever. It has to be members only to give integrity to the show, so we don't have the wrong people coming into Discord. Otherwise it'd be chaos over there. But right. I'll put the link in the chat. So Jose, is that your name?
Yeah, that's my first name. Normally people knows me as Yuri.
Yuri, brilliant. I'll call you Yuri then. Yuri, thank you ever so much for calling in. I appreciate it.
Thanks for the opportunity, Lucas. Thank you
so much. My pleasure. My pleasure.
All right.
There's
Cheers.
Yuri and Renata. Absolutely wonderful. Look at that. Calling in. He believes that Paris Hilton is going to be on Virgin Galactic as well, as we all do. The information is starting to pile in now. Let me just give Discord, as I've got MSK in the chat. MSK, you are now, if you unmute yourself, I don't see you on camera at the moment. If you, I don't see your cameras turned. Oh, I can hear you, but you're not on camera. How are you, mate?
I'm good. I'm good. The reason why I'm not on camera is because my personal laptop it's pretty crap. So I've got two work laptops. The last time I came on camera was using one of them, but I got called out for that.
Oh dear, don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah. So I don't want to do that again. So I'm gonna buy a new laptop with all the money that I've.
I'm gonna say, do you want me to buy you one?
No, you've already bought me about I don't know what 10. With your
well, that's good then. So really, you giving me a laptop is nothing really. I've given you 10. So as you say, it doesn't really.
Exactly.
Hey, MSK, right. No one. My wife, my kids, my mum and dad. No one's ever given me £200 in my whole life. I can't bloody believe it. I'm gonna take Leah out for dinner if that's all right.
Oh, that's what it was intended for. I want you to rest during Christmas. Christmas is family time, Martyn. Please, don't be. I don't want to see. I'm sorry for the rest of the family. I want Martyn to rest and have family time for Christmas. That's why I donated that amount of money.
This is my family. This is my family. I love being here. You can't keep me off air, mate.
Oh, but come on, you need a rest too.
I know, you're bloody right.
I've lost my voice and I don't speak anywhere, even 1% as much as you do on a daily basis.
Leah's, I can hear Leah in the kitchen. Leah, can you hear me? MSK has just done a super chat for £200. That's the biggest super chat ever in the history of the world.
It's nothing compared to
He's going, it's nothing. Apparently it's nothing. It bloody is to me.
That's what makes you special, man. Absolutely. Because no other YouTuber, you're not a YouTuber. I'm sorry.
Yes, don't you do that.
That's an insult, right? That's an insult. You're not a YouTuber. You're a YouTube TV person, right?
Okay. I'm making this too complicated for people, right? I know. Yeah.
Yeah. No, but no, I really respect what you do. So, I mean, everything I do, Martyn, I do with purpose. And I every time I donate to your channel, I do it with purpose because you deserve it, 100%.
I want you to know that I don't have any hobbies. I don't spend any money. I don't drink. I don't smoke. Other than my birthday, I have a drink on the show. I don't go anywhere. Every penny goes into my portfolio or this studio. I don't spend it on clothes. I don't do anything. So I want you to know that. I know it doesn't matter. You give it to me and whatever, but I want you to know it all goes back into the show, making it better. And I invest whatever I've got, and I can't thank you enough. I mean, it's huge to me. The day will come, I'm sure, when I'll make money on my videos but right now I live on the members. I live on the super chats and all and the membership fees. So, I can't thank you enough. We've got 30 seconds to ring the bell. I'm not going to cut you off.
Right,
I'm going to leave you there. You stay with me.
Simply because Jojo has requested this. Martyn, I know everything's going well. This is Arnold right here. Arnold just wants to say that your channel is great.
Count me down 10 seconds. Count me down, Arnie.
1.
No,
2,
count me down. We got 5 seconds to go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, let's do it. Come on, get to the chopper.
Absolutely bloody brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I love it. That was great. The bell has gone. Let me just have a quick run through. Are we moving? What's going on? Yep, the portfolio is going up big time again. We're getting some after hours action. You can see the Roths going up as well. 72,000, which would actually be 73,000 because the 1,000 is out on the gold. This is very, very exciting times indeed. That was great. Jojo S, did you enjoy that? Did you enjoy that? We got
I
Paris
hope he
Hilton
did,
on.
because I did that for him. I did that for Jojo. I did that for Josephine right there.
Josephine. What is this with Josephine and Emma? What is all this about? I never understand what's going on here.
I'm a man of my word. If anyone asks me, I'm like a performing animal. Okay. I no, actually that
I know, I
sounds
feel
wrong.
like that.
Anyway,
I feel like that. Yeah. Performing monkey, basically.
you know what? I think you get me. I think you understand what that means.
Yes, totally. Totally do. Totally do. MSK, stay right where you are for a second if you want to. Just,
All
I'd
right.
love to
Okay.
keep you
For
there.
you, Martin, no worries. No worries.
Yes.
I will do.
Okay. Now then, we're just wrapping up. What we've got this premiere coming up. It's just not quite ready yet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stay live with you and move the premiere back to 3:30, which is in 29 minutes, because it's a big file and it's just processing. So I've just moved it back, and I hope you're all going to join me, because at the end of this video, we're going to go have a Virgin Galactic special. I've invited people to comment live in the chat when this premieres. There's the link in the chat, and it's my reaction video edited down, and I'm really hoping it's going to be a very healthy debate. I've actually invited the YouTuber Dave to be on it, but he decided to delete my comments and what do you think about that, MSK? Mr. B said, no man is an island. You don't want to just make yourself on your own. You want to engage with other people online to build an audience, to build a platform. I gave this guy a real chance today to grow his channel, and I commented on replied to the comments from all of you guys, politely and respectfully, and I even joked with him. I said, we had some fun on your channel this morning, and I invite you to to be part of it and all the rest of it. And he deleted all my comments. What do you make of that?
Well, Martin, I need to be politically correct. So I'm bullshitting. I don't give a shit about political correctness.
You don't have to.
All I'm saying is, no, you're absolutely right. All I care about is transparency, and this guy, there's agenda. You're right. You see it every day with the news, with social media.
Negative stuff sells.
Negativity sells.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean,
And
look at
exactly.
I mean, look, he's got three.
That these idiots are following.
Yeah, he's got 3,000 subscribers and yet 172 likes. That's more
Right.
likes than I have ever had on any of my videos.
Right.
And it's had, look, I'm showing on the screen now, 2,700 views. That's more than any of my Virgin Galactic videos, because it's all about people being ripped off and negative news and all the rest of it. And he's only got 3,500 subscribers, but yet he's got all those views. Negativity sells. Meet Kevin, does it every day. He keeps telling you how bad life is. He flies around on a private jet, and people keep watching this stuff. Can you believe it?
Yeah. Well, I of course. I mean, if you really follow media, of course we can believe it, because if you analyze media and if you have your own intellect to do the research yourself,
No, we can't be doing
realize
that. That's too hard work. We can't do that. I can't read balance sheets, can I? I've got to watch a
But
guy on
it's the same
YouTube.
thing, isn't it, Martin? It's the same thing with stocks and shares. If you do your own research, you'll realize what's true and what's bullshit. It's true.
Yeah, I know. It's not hard. I don't think investing is that difficult, to be perfectly honest. If you
Right.
just learn a few basic fundamental
agree,
principles,
yeah.
it's not rocket science. It really isn't. You can make money dead easy. The hard part, like I've always said, is to keep it. But I don't know. I don't know why people do it. I don't know. I did enjoy making the video. It was done in good spirits. I wasn't offensive in any way. Yes, I think I debunked all his points, but it was an opportunity for him to talk back to me and engage and build an audience, even laugh at himself like I laugh at myself, but he decided to delete everything and doesn't want to be involved.
You know what, Martin? Can I ask you a question?
Please.
And I know that Jojo is going to smile, and so I know what this question. I think you're anticipating it.
What is it?
I recently jumped from dumping CGC back to Tilray. You're smiling right now.
Bloody hell, what's wrong with you?
There you go. There you go. So I've always admitted this is my lottery ticket, not an investment in the pure term of investment. But why do you keep on calling it rubbish? Are you still invested though?
No. Look, let me share on the screen. There's my position in Tilray. 0. There's my brokerage.
Okay.
There's my brokerage account. I have 0. If I go into my Roth IRA, I have 1 market share. 1. Now let me say why I joke about it and
Right.
make it absolutely clear why I joke about it every day. It's a bit of fun. It's a bit of entertainment. I know it winds you two up. It makes me laugh.
I love it.
If it makes me laugh, it's worth it to me. The reason why I don't think. The reason why I can't buy it, put any money behind it, is like we just said. Do your research. I do all the earnings. I listen to what Erwin Simon says, and the reason why I bought it was I thought it was the world's leader in cannabis, and I really believed that at the time. I still believe it's one of the best businesses in cannabis. I do. But when they couldn't get things to work, they decided to start buying breweries. Now, I know they were already a brewery business and they had some, but they made out the brewery businesses were all great. In fact, nearly all of them were going bankrupt and failing businesses that you bought on the cheap. And that's fine. You do what you want. However, I think you need to focus on what you are and what the business is. And I came into the business because I thought, right, I think cannabis has a great future. I can see how that could make money. That's why I bought it. If I want to buy a brewery business, just a brewery business, there's plenty of brewery businesses I can buy, and I would buy those. So I think the company has lost direction. I think Erwin Simon has lost control of the board. We've heard the infighting, the people selling their shares on the inside. So I don't think the company is in a good state. So I can't buy it. That's just my opinion.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Right. Okay. That's fair. That's a fair point. But I personally feel that the cannabis industry has been fed up with the delay in legalization news. The delay in some kind of decision on legalization. Even with the HHS saying that there should be a rescheduling from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3.
Which I now understand, by the way, thanks to you.
Yep. Okay, that's good. I think I personally, if I was running that business, and if I was getting so bored about legalization or the government delaying my success of my business, I wouldn't be too shy to diversify.
Nothing wrong with diversifying, but let's get straight. If we think, and if they think, more importantly, if they think, they're the ones running the company, if they think they've got to wait a year or two before legalization kicks in, before the business grows, I made 30% in 1 month. Why am I sitting around for 2 years in Tilray? I might as well make some money, come back if there's now a chance it's about to happen. Now, of course, you don't want to be buying in just as it happens because the price is going to go up and it's going to double and double and double. I get it. However, there's no rumor of anything for the foreseeable future. So you're just parking your money doing nothing. So you can make 30% even if you missed a 10% pop. I made 30% in 1 month. Why am I sitting around waiting? And it's okay to be diversified, but can you imagine what would happen to Apple tomorrow if they said, hey, you know what? No one's buying our phones anymore. They think they're rubbish. But don't worry. We've got a great line of hats coming out. We're going to sell straw hats. Don't worry. We can make a lot of money with straw hats. What would happen? Stock price would go to 0. So it's all very well to say, you know, they might be great in the future, but they're not going to be great for a year or two. And then they might be great in the future at a brand new idea, brand new business. Well, I didn't come in to buy that. So what am I sitting around waiting for? What's your thoughts on that?
Right. This is a great conversation. So,
You're going to go and dump all your
I
shares now, aren't you?
no, I'm not, Martin. Because this channel, I respect this channel a lot, and I think it's about really understanding how the stock market works, understanding how business works. Because I own a business, but I'm also into stocks.
Yeah.
You own a business, and you're a businessman yourself. You've obviously your background is amazing in terms of business, and you come into stocks, and you're very transparent, which is beautiful. That's why I'm I have 100% trust in you. But having said that, um, eh, okay, so you want me to counter that, act as a devil's advocate?
Well, look at it.
Let me.
I'm sharing on the screen the last 3 months when every other business in my portfolio that has a good balance sheet, makes profit, holds cash, everything is up. I'm up 30%. Tilray is down 16%. With the bullish run we've had for years, and Tilray is down 16% over 3 months. What is it you're waiting for? What is it you want to see before you think
Right.
that makes sense?
Okay, so your 30% is over, sorry, 3 months?
1 month.
1 month. Okay.
And in fact, if I
in
do it
the
over 3
next-
months, I'm up 25%.
Right. If over the next 6 months you're down 10%,
Right.
what would your narrative be?
If I'm down 10% in the next 6 months,
Because that's how the market works. Because we can't speak about our performance over 3 months, can we?
no,
Yeah.
correct. But you could take the money and then buy something else and exit your position and then buy Tilray when it's down, or buy something else, or
you're
park
that
it
damn
in
good,
bonds.
okay,
Or
I'll give you that. If you know when to buy and when to sell, that's a different game. That's a different game.
well, right now I'm at 30%. I could sell all my stocks today, clear my margin. Let's just remind everybody, because it's important to remind everybody of this.
Yeah.
Because Leah doesn't understand this. She goes, "Oh, I don't like you having all this margin."
Neither
Right?
does my partner. Don't worry, Martin.
Right. Let me explain it really clear. When you borrow money on margin, it's not like the bank gives you some money and you've got all this money in your hand, and then you go out and buy stuff with it. And now the money's gone and all you've got is worthless stuff. You buy a kitchen for 10 grand, it's
Can I
now
just
worth
interject
nothing,
there?
right?
The bank is never kind. The bank is never kind.
Hang on,
The
let
bank is
me
always
let me
trying to
finish.
make profits
MSK,
from you.
hang on. MSK, let me finish my point, otherwise it'll confuse people, right?
All right.
I've used margin to buy stocks. I still own those stocks. I haven't got out and bought a kitchen or a car or had a holiday and it's gone to zero, right? So they don't give me the cash. They just allow me to buy stocks. And my balance is showing 72,000. That is my money plus the gains and the losses of what the margin has given me. If I sell all of my stocks today, every single one, I have got $72,000. It's not that I now owe them some more money. I borrowed 52. I'm down to 40,000 now. I've paid back 12 the last 48 hours. I've got 72 grand. Well, a month ago, I had somewhere in the region of about 48. So, the profit is there. It's not like borrowing money from the bank and going out and spending it on something. I've still got it. My balance didn't go up by 50 grand. The profits and losses went up. That's it. So, I could sell all of my portfolio right now, right as we're sitting here, and have no shares, and I'd have 72,000. So I could look at Tilray again and go, okay, Tilray's down now, maybe I'll buy it now. But if I hadn't have done that, and I was just parked in Tilray, I'd actually be down at the moment rather than up. It's a no-brainer. It's an absolute no-brainer. MSK?
Yep. I agree with you. Okay. if I'm honest with you, Martin, the only position, well, actually, there's only two positions in my whole portfolio that isn't advised by Lucas Investor. Okay, and that is Shiba Inu and
Oh my God.
Tilray.
Oh my God. Yeah.
I'm just going to be honest. I'm going to be honest. Yeah.
Yep.
Recently, I dropped CGC again for Tilray, as Tilray rubbish, as Martin calls it. Fair enough. But I just felt that if I was going to invest in that lottery green ticket, quote unquote,
Yeah.
I might as well invest it on the business or the company that I trusted almost in that sector, which is Tilray.
Listen, there's nothing wrong. Oh, hey, good news. Our video is complete, so we can have the premiere in 15 minutes. Good. There's nothing wrong with having a bit of lottery ticket, a little bit of lucky dip in your portfolio. For you, perhaps it's Tilray. For me, it's Future Faraday. There we go. Future Faraday is in my portfolio, and I'm down 73%. I was down 98%. I didn't buy the dip, even though I'm at average of 142. I didn't buy it at 20 cents. Now it's at 37. So I've got some too. I can relate to what you're saying, but it's a very, very, very small part of my portfolio. So, it is really a lottery ticket. If you're buying hundreds and thousands of them, it's not really a lottery ticket at all, is it?
Yeah.
But is Tilray a big part of your portfolio?
On a more important note, I have to say, 90% of my profits is due to you.
No, it's nothing to do with me. It's to do with you.
No,
You've made the decisions, not me.
It's due to my decisions, but it's due to my decisions based on your very good information.
But and I say this, and I think some people think it's some sort of joke or marketing ploy, and I mean it. I don't just say it because it sounds good. If it does sound good, I don't know. But I learn from you every day, because remember, you hear me and I get that. You hear what I'm saying and you hear the chat, but I literally get thousands of emails and comments a day, and I try to scan read things and I reply to all my members, and you'd be amazed. I can virtually predict what people are going to say, which virtually tells me now the sentiment of that stock. You can just see it. And today, that YouTuber deleting my comments shows you the lack of understanding. It shows me, it teaches me so much. So as I say, and I say it every day, I learn from you. I really, really do, because I can see the patterns forming with all the different comments, and it becomes quite clear to me what the sentiment is. And now listen, Tilray could wake up tomorrow morning and there's some big news and it's all going to be great. And I hope that happens. I do, because a lot of people use medicinal cannabis, think it's a great thing, helps them a lot. It's beneficial to lots of people. It would make you lots of money, which would be great. And I'd love it to happen. I don't want to see any business fail. I didn't want to see Mullen fail, even though Dave Mitchery probably should belong behind bars. His employees, his customers, his staff, the people that work there certainly don't. And I want to see everyone successful. So I hope it works out for you. I really do.
No, honestly, Martin, me and Jojo, obviously, we make jokes. I think me and Jojo have a kind of a similar kind of jokey vibe between us. But honestly, we respect you so much. I know that for a fact. I'm sure Jojo will say the same.
MSK, breaking news. Look on the screen. Rocket Lab has just gone up 6% in seconds. Whoa! 6%, 6.5%, 7%. Look at Rocket Labs moving in the after 7%, 7.5%. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a price alert on the screen. Here comes my price alert. There we go. MSK, stay on the phone. Look at this. Look at this. Rocket Lab has just gone up. Oh, hang on a second. Is it a pump and dump? Let's see what happens. 7%. It's a price movement. In the after hours, we have just gone up. We've got a new all-time high with $72,500, which is 73.5. No, it's going up. It's gone to 7.5. 8. It's going to be 8% now. 8. There's 8%. There it goes. 8.5. 9%. Oh my! 9.5. 10%. 11%. 12%. We've got a short squeeze on Rocket Lab. MSK, comment on this. What do you think of this?
Well, my comment is I wish it was SPC right now because I'm not invested.
Are you not in Rocket
Labs.
Lab? Are you not in Rocket Lab?
No, I'm not. No.
Oh my God! Who's in Rocket? If you're in Rocket Lab now, if you're in Rocket
Jojo,
Lab now,
my brother, please, Jojo, please tell me you're in Rocket Labs.
somebody tell me in Rocket Lab. Here we go. So I'm in. I've got
No, I'm joking.
4,500.
Man, you're in Rocket Labs. What percentage? How much are you up?
I'm up. Well, I was down like 80%, so I've been buying the dip
Okay.
for ages. I'm only up 1% right now, but I was down 80% only about 3 months ago. So I'm perfectly happy being up 1% right now.
Yeah,
but it's
yeah.
$4,152. So I'm very happy with that. Yeah, that's really good. My portfolio today is up 3.84, which is $2,000. Everybody in the chat, are you in Rocket Labs right now? Let me know. This is exciting. Live with MSK on the phone. We're up at 10% now. This is a short squeeze, no question about it. It's popping like crazy. This could run and run and run because it's massively oversold, massively undervalued. I've been telling everybody this stock is a $12 stock. I must have said it now for a year. So I didn't keep buying and buying and buying. I bought enough. I'm up 2% now, making some money. I'm up $100 now. I'm up $100. There we go. It's now up 10%, 10.5%. There we go. It's going. An 8K was just filed for Rocket Lab. Thank you ever so much, Martini Racer. Yes, I'm in. Potteris. Are you still with me, MSK?
Yeah, and also, can I tell you something funny? Martin?
Yeah, go ahead. I love it.
My partner, who I love very much and who I'm gonna marry,
Lovely.
asked me, why do you listen to this guy so much, like hours on a day? And I tell her because he made me pretty much 30 grand over 7 months, and she just went quiet.
All right. I can't take responsibility for that. I'm very happy that you feel that way, and you know it makes me feel very happy every day. I feel this is a wonderful life and best job in the world. But you've done it all yourself. You've educated yourself. You've studied. You've learned. You've taken risks. You've applied discipline because you could have sold out when Virgin Galactic went down, but you didn't. You doubled up, and now you're up. You know,
Yeah,
at the end of the day.
Martin, let's think about that. It requires a great woman behind us. Leah is behind you just
Oh,
as much
most
as
certainly.
my wife is behind me. Because they could have all said, you know what, stop it. This is bullshit. But they didn't. Right?
Yeah, totally. I totally agree. My Leah says to me from time to time when she sees how the channel's growing, she said, I've got so much love and pride and pride for you. I said, what do you mean? She said, I remember when you started for the first year, you would sit in your chair in your office, you know, with all the studio lights on, all the production, and you'd be talking to nobody. And for the first year, you know, it was like 1 or 2 people. It was hardly anybody. And she said, you never gave up. You up every morning doing it, and now you can see it's how it's benefiting. So
Yeah, that's when you know it's a real one. That's when you know.
well, I believe in what we're doing. I believe we're going to hit 10 million subscribers. I believe I'm going to have $1 million. Yeah.
That's why we're family. That's why
Yeah.
whoever is in this chat is family, because we believe in you.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, well, we all believe in each other, and we're all there to help each other. And I spoke to Zaxay, you know, one of our big Virgin Galactic investors. He's just sent me a text. He wants to take me to dinner next Saturday down in Dallas, buy me a steak. I'm very excited about making that happen. That sounds very exciting.
Wait a minute. My last comment is under review by Mike. Oh no, I better you know, I'm gonna be in handcuffs tomorrow.
What's under review? What's under review? Oh, has he timed you out? Is he?
Mike's taking his powers to a next level.
That's his job, though. That's his job, though. He's doing his job. He's got to do his job. MSK, I've got to go because we're about to go into the world premiere.
Yeah.
I want you to join me. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right?
I will do it.
Thank you, mate. Thanks for calling in.
Just exit me because I'm really crap at exiting. Just
all right,
like
I will click the X button and you'll be gone in
Kick me
3,
out.
2, 1. See you later, mate. Bye bye. There he goes. He's gone. All right. How exciting was that? And can't thank him enough for all his support. Right. Listen here, folks. We've got 4 minutes to go. Everybody, join me for a live special Virgin Galactic live Q&A. I've invited Dave in from his YouTube channel and his supporters and everybody else. This video you are watching will go directly to this event here on the screen. This is a Virgin Galactic debunking all the nonsense, all the rumors, all the false information. There it goes. Let me give everybody right now the link. So to send you, where am I? Take this video where we are right now into the premiere. So it will go there automatically should you have any difficulty. Let me do it right now. Redirect. There is the premiere. There it is, ready to go. And this was the gentleman this morning I was referring to. I did invite him to take part. I sent him comments and messages. He's deleted them all. He would rather be a one-man island. That's okay. He had a chance to grow his YouTube channel, be part of a community, the #1 community for Virgin Galactic. He declined. He would rather just do his own thing, and I respect him for that. That's the way he wants to go. But this is the event. It'll be live in 2 minutes. So let's roll the credits. We've got a lot to thank this afternoon. We got a lot to thank. Let me roll the credits. Here we go. This is how I roll the credits. And let's bring it up now. Here's the credits. Stars of our show today. Subscribers. Sibby Thomas. John Kwan. Super Chats. A £200 super chat. MSK. By the way, you know when you said you're going to get married to that lovely lady? You know when you said that? Well, there's something else you got to remember. Who's going to sing at the wedding, whether virtually on a big screen or in person. Remember that. I'm already doing the wedding for Sensei. Anyway, look at the portfolio go. Look at the portfolio go. We've had some information just come on in. We've had some information just come in from Martini Racer. It's just come in. We're going to be live here in just a couple of moments' time. Not on my watch. Gotcha. Don't spread any scam information. I will make sure of it. All right, let me share with you. We got my wife as well. What's this? Couldn't do without her support. That's right. I'm happy that I found this channel. It's a cool seeing you make money. I wish I was following your moves. Feng Mua. If you are a YouTuber, it looks like you are. I can I can promote your channel, get everyone to subscribe to you. Rocket Labs just got a $515 million contract. Absolutely great. That's why Rocket Lab is going up, and it's up again. It's flying now. Rocket Lab after hours is up 8.5%. It's going on. It's literally taking off. I'm very, very happy. My portfolio is going to look very, very nice now. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. All join me for the world premiere. We've got all-time highs once again. There's my portfolio up again, breaking all records. 72, which is $73,500. When the gold comes back, it will probably come back about 4 or 5, and we'll be straight to 80,000, and we could be at $100,000 by the end of the year. Remember, not one single short, not one single options contract. We're just doing it. We're investing in value. That's it from me. Let's go over to the world premiere. Join in, be live in the chat. Let's have some very, very lively debate. Until then, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and each other. Let's go.